Team Allied Production presents how to set up a Google Meet video meeting for online class and virtual meeting. Open your browser, then type www.google.com. Click the sign in button that is found at the upper right of your browser. Sign in with your personal Google account or school account. Type your password. Then click sign in. Your profile picture will appear on the right side of your browser, wherein you can manage your account or choose to sign out. Beside this is the Google application where you can see the different Google applications. Then click Google Meet logo to direct you to Google Meet. So this is the home page of Google Meet. You can also access Google Meet in your browser by typing meet.google.com. Click join or start a meeting. If you are joining a meeting, enter the meeting code. To start a meeting, write your name and then click continue. Allow Google Meet to use your camera and audio. Open your notepad to copy the link and paste the link to the notepad. Turn up your microphone and camera by clicking these icons. You also have that option to turn it back on if permitted in the meeting. Allow Google Meet to use your audio and camera. Dismiss this message. Then click the Join Now button. Forward this link to the people included in the meeting by copying this link and then send it to the different messaging applications. Now let's try to use the Google Calendar. So the Google Calendar is found at the Google application. Find the logo of Google Calendar and select it. You can also type calendar.google.com to the address bar. So this is where you can create your event or schedule a meeting. First is create a calendar intended for your organization. Go to Other Calendar and click the plus sign and select New Calendar. Fill up the necessary field. Write the name of your calendar. Then click the Create Calendar button. This is now included in my calendar. You have the option to change the color to quickly identify your calendar. Then create an event or meeting schedule by clicking Create and add title for your meeting. Set the date and time of your meeting. Set the start and the end time. You can also add guests by encoding their Google account. It will be easier to consolidate all the email or the Google accounts of your colleague or guests. This is your Google Meet link. You can set the guest permission Let's try to click the more actions. You can also notify invited guests through email. Set the date and time to remind your guests through email, or notify them about the meeting. You can also notify them using the Google Calendar. An alarm will help you guests be reminded of the meeting. So choose the time, for example 15 minutes or 10 minutes before the meeting. You can also add description for your meeting or event. Don't forget to save and send invites to guests. The event is now created. Let's try the Google Meet link. As you can see, that the name of the event is already included. Now let's try the mobile device. Let's check the email invitation to access the Google Meet. So I'm using an Android device. This is the email invitation. You can simply reply to the email by clicking yes, maybe, or no. Click the Google Meet link to join without asking for permission. Collect all the Google accounts to easily send invitation and notify your guests. Turn off your microphone and camera before joining a meeting. Let's try to open the Google Meet application. Once your account is signed in to your Google Meet, the event is included in the application. You can now simply click the join button, and you also have the option to share the link to other guests using other messaging applications. That ends our tutorial. Thank you and have a great day.